What if I told you that one of the greatest investors of our time just dumped a $2.5 billion portfolio and made a surprising pivot into a brand new opportunity? Today, we're diving into billionaire Stanley Druckenmiller's latest power play, and it's not what you'd expect.
Hi.
In today's video, we're going to explore how billionaire investor Stanley Druckenmiller is shaking up the financial world by unloading billions of dollars in stocks and making bold moves into new opportunities. Why did he sell massive stakes in companies like Nvidia and Palantir, and where is he putting his money now? Stick around to find out. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, TheFinanceSavvy, for more updates and insights on the biggest stories in the world of finance and investing. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Let's dive into the video. Stanley Druckenmiller, one of the most celebrated investors in history, is no stranger to making headlines with his bold market moves. And his latest maneuver has sent shockwaves through the financial community. In late 2024, Druckenmiller's Duquesne family office unloaded over $2.5 billion worth of stock holdings. Among the sales, none other than Nvidia, the AI darling of Wall Street, and Palantir, a company many consider the pinnacle of AI-driven innovation. Why would he sell stakes in two of the hottest tech names in the game? Druckenmiller appears to be pivoting towards something far less flashy, but potentially just as lucrative. Enter Teva Pharmaceuticals, Teva. Druckenmiller bought a whopping 1.4 million shares of Teva, worth about $30.3 million. For a company that had been struggling under the weight of opioid lawsuits just a few years ago, this is a remarkable turnaround. Teva's stock soared over 100% in 2024 as the company resolved its legal woes and refocused its efforts on brand-name drugs. So, what does this tell us about Druckenmiller's strategy? It's classic Druckenmiller: find opportunities in overlooked, undervalued areas with massive upside potential. While others chase the next big thing, he's quietly moving into sectors where the risk-reward balance is in his favor. But Teva isn't his only play. Duquesne's Q3 2024 holdings reveal some intriguing names. Natera, a genetic testing company, tops the list with $452 million. Kwang, often referred to as the Amazon of South Korea, is valued at $287 million. Coherent, Woodward, and Seagate Technology round out the top picks, with holdings ranging from $179 million to $264 million. Druckenmiller isn't just shifting gears. He's diversifying in a way that suggests he's bracing for potential turbulence in the broader market. And in a recent interview with Nikolai Tangin, CEO of Norges Bank Investment Management, Druckenmiller shared some insight into his thinking. He admitted that while he initially believed inflation would come down, and he was right, he's now more concerned that the Federal Reserve might be declaring victory too soon. Druckenmiller warned that inflation could make a comeback, and the Fed might not have done enough to snuff it out. This cautious outlook could explain his pivot. By moving into companies like Teva and doubling down on diverse industries, Druckenmiller is hedging against uncertainty while positioning himself for growth in sectors with strong fundamentals. And while we're on the subject of a brand new opportunity, let's not overlook another key player flying under the radar. What if I told you there's a stock that's already dominating a $10 billion market and could soon explode even further in 2025? In today's video, we're diving into Vertex Pharmaceuticals, its revolutionary treatments, and why some experts think this company could be your ticket to massive gains in the coming year.
Hi.
In today's video, we're going to explore the incredible potential of Vertex Pharmaceuticals, a company poised to transform lives and maybe even your portfolio in 2025. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, TheFinanceSavvy, for more updates and insights into the hottest investing opportunities. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Let's dive into the video. The rise of Vertex Pharmaceuticals. Let's set the stage. Imagine a company that's not only curing diseases but also turning its groundbreaking innovations into billions of dollars in revenue. That's Vertex Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol VRTX on the NASDAQ. This biotech powerhouse is the global leader in cystic fibrosis, CF, treatments. CF is a genetic disorder that affects the lungs and digestive system. Think of it as an uphill battle for every breath. But Vertex has flipped the script on this devastating disease. Their flagship product, Trikafta, is nothing short of a medical marvel. It treats approximately 90% of CF patients, a feat that no other company has come close to achieving. With Trikafta alone, Vertex generated a jaw-dropping $9.8 billion in revenue last year, including a 12% boost in product revenue during Q3 2024. But Vertex isn't stopping there. The company is charging full steam ahead with its next-generation CF therapy, Vanza. The FDA has already granted Vanza priority review status, and the target approval date is set for January 2, 2025. If approved, Vanza is expected to be a game-changer, driving both top-line growth and profit margins for years to come. But wait, there's more. Vertex isn't just a one-trick pony. It's building a diversified pipeline targeting 5 major disease areas, including sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia. Imagine curing blood disorders that have plagued millions for generations. Type 1 diabetes. Vertex is pioneering regenerative treatments that could potentially eliminate the need for insulin injections. Kidney disease. Through a strategic acquisition, Vertex is tackling APOL1 kidney disease and IgA nephropathy. Oh, and let's not forget their new pain management drugs. With promising clinical trial data in both acute and chronic pain, Vertex expects to launch a first-of-its-kind pain treatment in mid-2025. This could tap into a multi-billion-dollar market and further cement Vertex as a leader in life-changing therapies. The market outlook for 2025. Now, let's zoom out for a moment and look at the bigger picture. Jurriën Timmer, Director of Global Macro at Fidelity, calls 2024 a Goldilocks year for stocks, strong earnings growth, rising valuations, and a 28% surge in the S&P 500. But 2025 might look a little different. Timmer warns that valuations for mega-cap stocks, like the so-called Magnificent Seven, are stretched to their limits. This creates a risk of a bubble if growth doesn't keep up. Instead, the smart money in 2025 might be flowing into undervalued sectors like biotech, where companies like Vertex could shine. In fact, Vertex's upside potential has caught the attention of top analysts. They're projecting a 35.93% price increase for VRTX, making it one of the most exciting stocks to watch in 2025. Why Vertex could make you rich in 2025. So, why should you care? Because Vertex isn't just growing, it's innovating at a scale few companies can match. From treating rare genetic diseases to creating entirely new drug markets, Vertex is setting itself up as a long-term winner. Let's put this into perspective. If you had invested in Vertex a decade ago, your returns would have crushed the broader market. And now, with Vanza and their pain management drugs on the horizon, there's a real chance for another massive growth wave. Of course, no investment is without risks. Vertex's heavy reliance on CF treatments means it needs to successfully diversify to maintain its momentum. But with a proven track record of delivering blockbuster therapies, this company is well-positioned to keep investors smiling in 2025 and beyond. Conclusion. Again, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Finance Savvy for more insights into the world of investing and finance. Got questions or thoughts on Vertex or the biotech sector? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video, and happy investing!